Hey, it's Mr. Oliver here, and we're doing some practice problems where we use the properties of logs to simplify some expressions. So just to remind you, the two main ones that we use here, we can say log of any base of x plus log of the same base of y. We take those two logs as an addition, and we turn that into log of the same base of x times y. And then we have a subtraction rule, log base a of x minus log base a of y, and that turns into a division, log base a of x over y. And then we had a power to a power rule, which looked like r times log base a of x, and that's where we move the coefficient n as an exponent, so that becomes log base a of x to the r. So we're going to use those rules to combine some things here. We're not trying to find numbers, we're just trying to combine. So the first one, log base 10, since it's not written, but log base 10 of 30 minus log base log base 10 of 2 minus log base 10 of 5. So it's understood that all three of these are the same base, log base 10, which means we can use our rules. So anything that has a positive out front, like the first one, would go in the numerator. Anything that has a negative would go in the denominator. So we could write this as one big log, which would be 30 up top, over 2 times 5 in the bottom. And 2 times 5 is 10. We'll divide it into 30, so this is log of 3, which looks a whole lot better than the long expression there. The next one, b, is 3 times log base 4 of x squared plus log base 4 of x to the 6th. The first thing we're going to do is use that exponent rule to bring the 3 in out front. So that'll be log base 4, and if we raise x squared to the cube, it'll be x to the 6th plus log base 4 of x to the 6th. So when I combine those, I'm adding the two logarithms together, so it becomes a multiplication. So log base 4, x to the 6th times x to the 6th is x to the 12th. Okay. When I multiply bases, I add exponents, so 6 plus 6 is 12. The last one down here, c, 1/5 times the big quantity of log base 5 square root of x minus log base 5 of y. I'm going to go ahead and combine what's in the parentheses first. I could distribute the 1/5 through if I wanted, but there's a subtraction here, so I'll keep the 1/5 out front. Log base 5 square root of x over y. And if I want to take the 1/5 inside, I can make it log base 5 of square root of x over y to the 1/5, which means a fifth root, but we're just going to leave it like that. So just trying to get everything in terms of one log instead of several logs added or subtracted together.